If you have been wondering what it is really like to stay in an inside cabin on one of the newest cruise ships in the world, this full room tour is for you.
We just arrived at our room on MSC World America. This is an interior stateroom. Since the ship is relatively new, I think it's maybe a year old at most. It is a really nice room. Everything is very new, modern, but it is a very similar style of room as what we're used to on MSC Seashore. This is, I believe it's a king size bed. Their beds are pretty comfortable. They do give you a decent selection of pillows. They do have some nice night lighting, small lights for reading in the evening, and then also a side light. There is a small bedside table on each side of the bed. There's beach towels. Everyone always tells us it's important to make sure that the beach towels get returned at the end of the trip, or else they will charge you for them. There is a nice mirror area, small desk with a small seat, kind of like a stool. There is a good variety of electrical outlets. They do have the international type outlets, which will accept multiple types of international plugs. They also have the two different styles of USB outlets, which is really helpful. And there's also USB outlets over by the bedside lighting table area, so you can charge a phone or tablet right by the bedside table area. And then there is the mini fridge. It does come stocked, but these are for an added fee. Some of them do get quite expensive. We just checked, and for sodas, they're $3.50. Sparkling bottle of water will be $5.25, and then canned beers are $9. They do provide 2 glasses, ice container, some small shelving, decent sized TV for the room. Also, there is a storage, not very big, but definitely enough room to hang some clothing. There is a safe, some shelving, and then 2 storage drawers. So not that big, but definitely adequate for a multi-day cruise. And then taking a quick look at the restroom area. It is kind of your typical MSC restroom layout. Definitely functional, small but functional. Nice shower. They do have the shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Toilet area, sink, and a nice size mirror. Overall, it's a nice room. For it to be an interior room, this was the least expensive of the room options. Definitely nice, has a nice feel, very modern.